Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechGym. Today I'm going to teach you how to recover lost data from Windows, Android and Mac. Open Google Chrome and search Disk Digger. Now open diskdigger.org website. Here you can see download button. This page is to download Disk Digger for Windows. We have more options to download this software for different operating systems. If you lost data in Android phone, then you can download it in Android phone. It has two versions, Free and Pro. Free version will recover photos and videos only. Pro version will recover every type of files from your Android phone. Scroll down and you can see all tutorial to recover your lost data from Android phone. Let's go to Linux option. In this page, you can copy these commands and use it into Linux operating system to recover your data. Now let's move to Mac OS option. Here you have to download and install Mono for Mac operating system. Click download button for Disk Digger installation. After installation, run these commands in terminal. My operating system is Windows, so I am downloading Windows version. After downloading, open folder and extract downloaded zipped file. Now open this folder and run Disk Digger. Here you can see your hard drives C, D and E. If your drive is not retrieved, then you can click refresh list button. Click on next button to start process of restoring. It has two options to recover data. One is dig deep and second one is dig deeper. Dig deep search will search only for deleted files in file system. And dig deeper will search whole disk. Let me select first option, dig deep, and click next button. Finally, it recovered deleted files from my computer. Here you can select extension category also, like documents, presentations and videos. Let's go back and select second option, which is dig deeper, and click next button. Now you can select file extension according to your requirement. For example, you want to recover only JPEG files. Click on JPEG file extension and click next button. So it starts finding lost data into drives. It will search whole drive, so it can take more time to recover it. After full research, you can find your lost data and download it. I hope this video will help you to recover your lost data. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.